विज्ञान विद्या विनय भूषण
ईरामय्य समूह संस्थान
ज्ञान विज्ञान विद्या विनय भूषण ईरामय्य समूह संस्थान तारे निहारिते आदरे ಈ ಮಾಲಿಕೆ ಜಯವೆನ್ನುವ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ದ್ರಷ್ಟಾರರು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಕನಸಿನ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯವಿದು
ದೀಪದಳು ಪ್ರದೀಪಗಳ ಬೆಳಗುವ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾ ಸ್ಥಾನವಿದು
ಅರಿವಿನ ದಿಗಂತದಾಚೆಗೆ ಜಿಗಿಯುವ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲವಿದು ಗೃಹ ಗೃಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೃಹ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣವೇ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನದ ಸೋಪಾನವಿದು ಮಿತಿಯಿಲ್ಲದ ಅಮಿತ ಜ್ಞಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧನ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರವಿದು ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯ ಕೇಂದ್ರವಿದು ಅಜ್ಞಾನದ ಕತ್ತಲೆ ನೀಗುವ ಸುಜ್ಞಾನದ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ರಶ್ಮಿದು
ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರದ ಹೊಂಗನಸಲು ಹೊತ್ತಿದ ಅರಿವಿನ ತಾಣವಿದು
ಅರಿವಿನ ಹಣತೆಯು ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಸಂಖ್ಯಾತ ಕಿರಣಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ಹೊರಹೊಮ್ಮಿವೆ ಜಯವೆನ್ನುವ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ
Hello everyone, I am Kiran.
I'm good,
And
Kiran.
hello
How
Mira,
about
how
you?
you been? I am good too. Do you know why we celebrate Music Day?
To encourage budding musicians?
Partially yes. World Music Day is an annual celebration that takes place on June 21st to honor amateur and professional musicians alike. Over 120 countries celebrate World Music Day by organizing free public concerts in parks, streets, stations, museums, and other such public places. On this day, musicians are encouraged to play in public. World Music Day is all about outdoor and public performances. However, this year, on account of the coronavirus pandemic, we welcome you all to online music event.
That was very informative, Kiran. I believe everyone got great insight on this. So let's now begin with our event. We have an invocation song now from Samiksha.
Am I audible?
Yes, Samiksha.
Good morning, all. या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा निःशेषजाड्यापहा निःशेषजाड्यापहा. Thank you all.
That was a very beautiful song, Samiksha. Like the saying, the function of prayer is not to influence God, but rather to change the nature of the one who prays. Kiran, Do you know who has sung It's the Time for Disco from Kal Ho Na Ho?
Of course, it's Vasundhara Das. This song has been our most top favorite track back in time.
Correct. Vasundhara Das was born on 27th October 1977. She's an Indian singer, actress, composer, entrepreneur, speaker, songwriter, and environmental activist. She has worked with composers such as A.R. Rahman, Vijaya Bhaskar, Yuvan Shankar Raja, and G.V. Prakash, to name a few. Vasundhara's current focus is on music composition at her Bangalore-based studio called The Active. We also know how fun and exciting the drum jam is near MG Metro Station, which takes place on third Sunday every month. This is one of the pioneers of rhythm-based activities in India. She worked with playback. She worked as a playback singer with Rahman in in the movie named Madal One, for which she sang the song Shakalaka Baby, and thereby winning the Filmfare Best Female Playback Singer Award on 2001. She has inspired many budding musicians and thereby a way of creating music spontaneously by the group as a whole. Now, I request our beloved Dean, Dr. Bindu Nambia ma'am, to speak a few words, and also we will be delighted if ma'am sings a few lines for us.
Good morning to one and all, my dear
Good morning, ma'am.
members, and all my lovely students. On the occasion of the World Music Day, it's a very rare opportunity that I get to interact with my students. I really wish this was offline. We would have had a lot of fun, but good. We have a Saturday, and it's nice that this idea has come up that we will spend together, celebrating the most divine gift of all, music. It is it. There are many reasons why we decided that we should have this particular event, even though typically an MBA college may not include this in the calendar of events. We said it is very essential because we would like, as we groom you through these 2 years, we would like to constantly remind you that getting into the professional world does not mean you end your personal interests. It does not mean that whatever is your natural divine talents that has been given to you is locked up in a small box and put away. These are things that will always stay with you. And personally, for me, in my last over 2 decades of my career, I feel music has been the biggest go-to place for me, because not everything can you really pour out. You cannot define it. You cannot define your feelings. But music is a great form of healing. It's a great form of inspiration. It really kind of brings in so much of enthusiasm to people in various places. And I'm very happy to note that all of you have done some kind of research, you have understood. Since you spoke about Vasundhara Das, I would like to also add a few points. Vasundhara Das, if you see, actually from the time she has started performing, Indian music has actually taken a big U-turn. I still remember that earlier when the concerts used to happen, only the most leading musicians would get an hands down audience. Otherwise, they had a lot of difficulty in marketing the program or getting the tickets filled and things like that. Local bands would perform. When I was in college, St. Joseph's College was one place where a lot of bands would come to practice. Even we had a band, and what we noticed is some of the best talents played there, but nobody even noticed, because that culture had not yet set into the city, where actually performances were happening, or actually people were holding towards local talents. They wanted at that time also bringing in talents from the world over would always ensure a full show. I still remember Richard Marx, Brian Adams, all of them, when they hit India, tickets were sold much earlier than they could even plan. But it was not the same case when it came to younger musicians, budding musicians. Fortunately, today, with the technology in place, with the access to people across, music has traveled directions. I'm sure all of us have music in us. Yeah, maybe the extent, maybe the content may vary, but music is within us. And it's very important for all of us to keep on, playing the tunes inside us so that we really stay charged, ready to take on life, come what may, move on, move forward, move ahead. That's the only thing that we all have to have as a mantra. On the World Music Day celebrations, I really don't want to get into a lecture mode or anything. I'm sure you've heard enough lectures. And I'm very sorry, children, that my voice is totally off. I'm actually having this bronchial attack. So I'm unable to, sing or anything in this occasion. But I just want to say that India has witnessed some of the most amazing talents in Indian music, and fortunately, Indian music has been able to position a lot of it through cinema as well. It is not so divorced, the cinema, the music in the movies and the music performances per se. It's not so farly divorced as in many other countries. Here we have been able to bring in a lot of quality music into, we have legends where we can start with KL Sehgal, or we can start with Dinanath Mangeshkar, Lata Mangeshkar's father. Right from there, if you look at the kind of legends we have Lata Mangeshkar, who's a living legend. We just lost another, 40,000 plus songs, SPB. What talents! Mohammad Rafi, he sung across 16 languages. I got to know about it recently. Very, very, new to me. What kind of versatility in the music. Kishore Kumar, the kind of songs that they have handled, the genres that they have handled, the way they have melted into what basically they have been able to show all of us is that music is something that connects the heart. If it can touch the heart, then the beat is not an issue. So we have fortunately, we are a land which has so many talents, so many unsung heroes are there. If you look at MS Subbalakshmi, all time, she's a mother of divine music, and there are so many. I will be doing injustice if I decide. I'm talking about those people who have who have been able to hit the headlines. But even otherwise, there are every nook and corner of India has a unique genre of music. And I think that is exactly what makes India so exciting, from when indie pop was born, when Aina Tu Aina Zaron Ki Anjane was sung by Sunita Rao. Not many people knew what is indie pop. From there, the journey has started, and we have completely come into a new genre of music. Even before her, there were many greats like Preeti Sehgal, there was Sharon Prabhakar. So many of these people actually came up with various pop music in India, local Desi pop. It's a very unique blend, and we have so many people who have then taken it. The Gujarati folk was popularized by Falguni Pathak. So many beautiful musicians are there across the country. We have so many actors. Our own Rajkumar sir, who is such a wonderful actor. How many songs has he immortalized with his lovely voice? So we are fortunate to be in a land like this, and I really wish this slot that you all have, you just really celebrate with music, and may music stay with you all through life. God bless you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you for inspiring words, ma'am. I'm sure everyone got a great insight on music. Thank you very much, ma'am. Now I request Sindhuja ma'am to sing few lines for us.
Yes, a very good morning to one and all. Yes, first of all, I would just like to mention that I would not be singing, but I would be playing one of recorded instrumentals, which I had actually recorded some days back. So I will just be playing that. Okay. And I would also like to take this forum to discuss with everyone about the fact of how music actually it tends to be like so much of a stress buster actually. Okay, so whatever levels of stress we are facing, and even to be reflective of whatever mode we are going through, also we can just turn on to a music to just probably vent out our emotions through that. Okay, see, for example, like in case we are in a kind of a really excited mood, we really feel nice when we play some kind of heavy metal music, right? And we are in a kind of a peaceful light mood. We really enjoy it when we play a kind of light music or a light instrumental or any such like that. And what is so amazing about this particular thing is that it see these ragas itself, if you see, I mean, many of you are here like who are knowledgeable about the theory part of it. I may not be as knowledgeable about you guys, but yes, to an extent. I mean, I have been researching on some of these ragas. See, like for example, Neelambari. Okay, I mean, it can actually kind of put anyone to sleep. Okay, and it also reflects, these ragas are also designed where it's reflecting the mood, or it's kind of reflecting the time of the day also. Like for example, mornings means you can think of Valaja, or you can think of Bauli or Bhupalam, right? Or in case you're thinking about a time where you're fear, like kind of to reflect distress or to reflect a kind of a pleading tone, you have Chakravagan, right? So in this way, it's such a wonderful thing that has been created by Almighty, where we can literally express out our emotions with the way in which it is being formed. Okay, and in fact, it's quite interesting to also note that music is also a big topic of research even in medical science. Okay, it is even believed that certain aspects of music can even cure certain things. Like for example, amnesia itself, if you see, they are trying to explore what is the efficacy of Kurinji Ragam or Neelambari Ragam in terms of putting somebody to sleep, right? So it's really something great, which is naturally and also the various inner meanings and deep aspects of it, it's still being researched, and it's a really wonderful thing which is created by Almighty. And from my perspective of music, there are some famous musicians whom I really adore, and I mean, I really enjoy listening to. One of whom is Mr. A.R. Rahman sir, and in I mean, I would just, his music numbers, I tend to keep singing, and I even try to reflect it on the keyboard as well. So here is one music number which of A.R. Rahman sir, which I would like to relate to you guys, and I would really like everyone to, yeah, just sit back and enjoy. Thank you. Kiran, could you stop presenting the screen for some time? I will be presenting my screen. Once my presentation is over, you can start presenting again.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I hope the video and audio is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, students.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for such a soothing music. Guys, I want everyone to unmute your mic and give a round of applause for ma'am. And
Thank you so much.
And thank you, ma'am, for your words, and we got to know more about the musicians. And now I request Vichitra ma'am to say a few lines and sing a song for us.
A very good afternoon to all of you. I would definitely say a few words about music, but I would refrain from singing. I think music is very much indispensable in my life. That's because I start my day with music, I must say. I start my day with divine music, followed by some of the best melodies, especially S.P. Balasubramanian sirs, Hariharan sirs, and so on. So I think I would say it is also my best friend because any sort of an emotional reliability is there on music for me. I generally don't tend to interact with people more about my emotions. It is the music which is definitely helping me to get over any sort of an emotional instability in my life. So I definitely feel very much happy and delighted to be a part of this 1 hour program. Though short, I think it is making my day. Thanks a lot. I thank Dr. Bindu Nambiar, our beloved ma'am, to give this opportunity to all of us, and also Ajay sir, faculty members, and all my dear students to be a part of this. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for these beautiful words. I'm sure all of you are waiting for the performances, aren't you? So now I call upon Neelanjali S.
Good morning, everybody. Hello, I'm Neelanjali, and I'm going to be singing this beautiful song by Ananya Bhatt. Madeva, 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 Madeva. Madeva, 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 ಸೋಜುಗದ ಸೂಜು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸೋಜುಗದ ಸೂಜು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅಂದಾವರೆ ಮುಂದಾವರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ತಾವರೆ ಪುಷ್ಪ ಚಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಲೆ ಬಿಲ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಚಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಲೆ ಬಿಲ್ಪತ್ರೆ ತುಳಸಿ ದಳವ ಮಾದಪ್ಪನ ಪೂಜೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೋಜುಗದ ಸೂಜು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸೋಜುಗದ ಸೂಜು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಯೂನಿ ತುಪ್ಪವ ಕಾಯಿಸ್ಯೂನಿ ಕಿತ್ತಾಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣ ತಂದ್ಯೂನಿ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಿತ್ತಾಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣ ತಂದ್ಯೂನಿ ಮಾದಪ್ಪ ಕಿತ್ತಾಡಿ ಬರುವ ಪರಿಸೆಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೋಜುಗಾದ ಸೂಜು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸೋಜುಗಾದ ಸೂಜು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬೆಟ್ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗೋರ್ಗೆ ಹಟಿ ಹಂಬಲವ್ಯಾಕ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ್ ಮಾದೇವ ಗತಿಯೆಂದು ಮಾದೇವ ನೀವೇ ಮಾದೇವ ನೀವೇ ಮಾದೇವ ನೀವೇ ಬೆಟ್ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗೋರ್ಗೆ ಹಟ್ಟಿ ಹಂಬಲವ್ಯಾಕ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ್ ಮಾದೇವ ಗತಿಯೆಂದು ಮಾದೇವ ನೀವೇ ಬೆಟ್ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗೋರ್ಗೆ ಗತಿ ಎಂದು ಮಾದಪ್ಪ ಹಟ್ಟಿ ಹಂಬಲವ ಮರೆತಾರೋ ಮಾದೇವ ನೀವೇ ಸೋಜುಗಡ ಸೂಜು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸೋಜುಗದ ಸೂಜು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Awesome.
That was a knockout performance, Neil. Thank you. Now I call upon Anusha to give a performance with instrument to make every soul present over here feel good.
Kiran?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you mind if I take 1 minute here to talk to Nilanjali?
Yeah, sure, ma'am, sure.
Nilanjali, all performance, Nilanjali, really good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thing. I had the good fortune to actually watch this the first time Ananya Bhatt was performing in Shivratri and Sadhguru cried. He was,
Yes, ma'am. That was what inspired me to choose this song.
yes, it was just not stopping. And, I was there and I watched it. Thank you, Ma. Thank you. You kind of relive my memories. Thanks a million.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm glad you liked it.
God bless. Waiting for Anusha.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, so very good morning, everyone. Myself, Anisha Jaiswal, and on this day of World Music Day, first of all, I want to congratulate all the musicians, songwriters, all the artists who are some way or the other connected to music, because music is the language of heart which commences when speech ends. So today I'll be singing a fusion of two songs, and both of them are Hindi. So yeah, enjoy. है काश यूं होता ऐसा साथ तू होता चुपचाप दिल यूं रोता ऐसा साथ तू होता. काश यूं होता हर जहाँ साथ क्यों होता चुपचाप यूं रोता हर जहाँ साथ क्यों होता गुजारा हो तेरे बिन गुजारा अब मुश्किल है मुझका नजारा हो तेरा ये नजारा अब हर दिन है लगता हाल दे तुझको सुनाती मैं भी ये बोल पाती मेरी सांस तुझ पे है फिदा हो तेरे संग पर बिताती वक्त से मैं हूँ मांगती याद करके मुस्कुराती सहारा अब तो तू आगे जा गुजारा मेरे दोनों पागल हर पल मांग के नजारा समझा उनको किस तरह इन पे मेरा बस नहीं चलता जाती मैं आगे, ये बोल पाती मेरी सांसें, तुझ पे है खुदा। वो तेरे संशों पर बताती वक्त से मैं वो मांग लाती, याद करके मुस्कुराती तू ही हकीकतें ख्वाब तू, दरिया तू ही प्यास तू, तू ही दिल की बेकरारी, तू सुकून, तू सुकून। जाने मैं अब जब जिस जगह पाऊँ मैं तुझको, उस जगह साथ रूबरू, ना हो तू रूबरू, रूबरू तू, हम सफर तू, हम कदम तू, हम हवा मेरा, हम सफर तू, हम कदम तू, हम हवा मेरा। कब भला अब ये वक्त गुजरे, कुछ पता चलता ही नहीं, जब समझता हूँ तू मिला है, होश कुछ भी अपना नहीं। उफ ये तेरी पलकें बनी सी छाँव में तेरी है दूसरी, अब किसे डरे धूप का है, क्योंकि है ये मुझ पे बिछी, तेरे बिना ना सांस लूं, तेरे बिना ना मैं जीऊं, तेरे बिना ना एक पल भी रह सकूं, रह सकूं। सफर तू, हम कदम तू, हम हवा मेरा, सफर तू, हम कदम तू, हम हवा मेरा। ओ तू सफर तू, हम कदम तू, हम हवा मेरा। Thank you all.
Wow, that was a beautiful performance, Anusha. I'm sure everyone loved it. Next, we have Samiksha to perform.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Samiksha.
Okay. Hello all. I am today performing a medley of two Hindi songs which are based on Rag Yaman. Like Sindhuja ma'am already enlightened us about the Rag in Hindustani music. Uh, it has a several, every each rag has its each time zone when it's best heard or best sung. So basically, Rag Yaman is the evening rag. Like it's actually rendered at the time when lights are put on. But because it's very close to my heart, my most favorite rag and my two most favorite songs, which I have done a medley of. Uh, I hope you guys enjoy it. ये काली रात जकड़ लूं, ये ठंडा चांद पकड़ लूं, हाँ ये काली रात जकड़ लूं, ये ठंडा चांद पकड़ लूं, दिन रात के मेरे भेद का रुख मोड़ के मैं रख दूं, तुझ संग मैंने लगाया ऐसा, रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा, हो रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम तेरा नाम, मेरा नाम इश्क, ये नाम इश्क, ये मनाम इश्क, ये ऐब इश्क, ये बैर इश्क, इश्क इश्क। तुम ये सोचो जरा यूं लगो कि तुम्हें जान जाती है जब उठ के जाते हो तुम, जान जाती है जब उठ के जाते हो तुम, तुमको अपनी कसम जान जा, बात इतनी मेरी मान लो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, यूं ही पहलुओं में बैठे रहो, यूं ही पहलुओं में बैठे रहो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो। Thank you.
Ha Samiksha, this feels like heaven on earth. Very pleasing it was. Thank you so much. Next performance is by Athira.
Athira, I think you'll have to unmute yourself.
Yes, sorry. So, good afternoon, all. I'm Atira Shashi. Today I'm going to sing the song Kannalini by K.S. Chitra ma'am. கண்ணாளனே எனது கண்ணை நேற்றோடு காணவில்லை என் கண்களை பறித்து கொண்டு ஏன் இன்னும் பேசவில்லை ஆளான ஒரு செய்தி அறியாமலே அலைப்பாயும் சிரிப்பேதே நானோ உன் பேரும் என் பேரும் தெரியாமலே உள்ளங்களிடம் மாறும் ஏனோ வாய் பேசவே வாய்ப்பில்லையே வந்திய வழி என்னவோ கண்ணாளனே எனது கண்ணை நேற்றோடு காணவில்லை என் கண்களை பறித்து கொண்டும் ஏன் இன்னும் பேசவில்லை ஆளான ஒரு செய்தி அறியாமலே அலைப்பாயும் சிரிப்பேதே நானோ உன் பேரும் என் பேரும் தெரியாமலே உள்ளங்களிடம் மாறும் ஏனோ வாய் பேசவே வாய்ப்பில்லையே வழி தீர வழி என்னவோ கண்ணாளனே எனது கண்ணை நேற்றோடு காணவில்லை என் கண்களை பறித்து கொண்டும் ஏன் இன்னும் பேசவில்லை உன்னை கஞ்சாடி வீழ்ந்தது நெஞ்சம் நெஞ்சம் தறி கேட்டு துரும்பது நெஞ்சம் இந்த நூலாடி பறந்தது கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் பிறை முகம் பார்த்தது கொஞ்சம் ரத்தம் கோதி கோதிக்கும் உலை கோதித்திடும் நீர் குமிழ் போல சித்தம் தோடி தோடிக்கும் புயல் எதிர்த்திடும் ஓரிலை போல பனி துளிதான் என்ன செய்யுமே மூங்கில் காற்றில் தீவிடும் பொழுது மூங்கில் காடின்னும் மாய்முகம் மாத கண்ணாளனே எனது கண்ணை நேற்றோடு காணவில்லை என் கண்களை பறித்து கொண்டும் ஏன் இன்னும் பேசவில்லை ஆளான ஒரு செய்தி அறியாமலே அலைப்பாயும் சிரிப்பேதே நானோ உன் பேரும் என் பேரும் தெரியாமலே உள்ளங்களிடம் மாறும் ஏனோ வாய் பேசவே வாய்ப்பில்லையே வழி தீர வழி என்னவோ கண்ணாளனே எனது கண்ணை நேற்றோடு காணவில்லை என் கண்களை பறித்து கொண்டும் ஏன் இன்னும் பேசவில்லை ஒரு மின்சார பார்வையின் வேகம் வேகம் உன்னோடு நான் கண்டு கொண்டேன் ஒரு பெண்ணோடு தோன்றிடும் தாபம் தாபம் என்னோடு நான் கண்டு கொண்டேன் என்னை மறந்து விட்டேன் இந்த உலகத்தில் நான் இல்லை உன்னை இழந்து விட்டார் இந்த மலரிலும் தேனில்லை இது கனவா இல்லை நினைவா என்னை கேள்வி உண்மை தெரிந்து உன்னை பார்த்தேன் தாய் முகம் மறந்தி கண்ணாளனே எனது கண்ணை நேற்றோடு காணவில்லை என் கண்களை பறித்து கொண்டும் ஏன் இன்னும் பேசவில்லை ஆளான ஒரு செய்தி அறியாமலே அலைப்பாயும் சிரிப்பேதே நானோ உன் பேரும் என் பேரும் தெரியாமலே உள்ளங்களிடம் மாறும் ஏனோ வாய் பேசவே வாய்ப்பில்லையே വഴിതീര വഴിയുന്നവോ കണ്ണാളനേ எனது கண் நீற்றோடு காணவில்லை என் கண்களை பறித்துக் கொண்டும் ஏன் இன்னும் பேசவில்லை கண்ணாளனே. Thank you.
It's so beautiful, Atira. Please sing
Santosh,
this song.
Santosh, Santosh, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Santosh, sorry to interrupt. I just want to say something about this performance. So, this is the first time Atira is performing on a platform like this, or I mean, like in a stage like this, or in a formal setup like this. This is the first time she is performing. And whenever we do any event or whenever we host something for you students, for you guys, it is basically, it comes with one objective. Our objective was very simple, that we wanted to provide one platform for all of our students. It need not be like a competition, but rather it provides a platform for each one of you to come out and break your barriers and perform, or whatever talent you guys have, you guys will have to show that. That is the reason, or that is the objective with which we run any event for that matter. So this girl was actually very shy when I mean, she was not at all ready to perform at all. And after so much of discussion, I mean, our event coordinators were constantly pursuing her to perform. But even till yesterday evening, she had not registered, and I had to intervene in between. And I spoke to this girl, and I told her that no, you just trust me, and you. She was actually, she said that she is not very confident in singing. She said that she doesn't have much knowledge about singing, but Atira, I think you can just see the chat box as to how many people loved your performance, and I request everybody to unmute yourself and give her a big round of applause, please.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, so beautiful, Atira. That was very soothing. This song breaks barrier between language. Such a beautiful song. Now Surya is gonna perform.
Hi, am I audible?
Yes, Surya.
Hi, hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay, so first of all, I want to say one thing. I'm not a singer at all, but I really need to sing this song to my dear friends and my teachers, because they want me to sing. So I'm singing a song which I made a mashup where my mom's favorite songs. So hope you guys like this. சுற்றும் வேறி சூடாரே சுற்றும் வேறி சூடாரே என் உலகம் உன்னை சுற்றுதே சற்றிப்பையில் உன் பாதம் தொட்டு தொட்டு உரசா என் இதயம் பற்றிக் கொள்ளுதே என் விழியில் விழுந்தேன் உன் விழியில் பறந்தேன் கண் விழித்து சொப்பனம் கண்டேன் உன்னாலே கண் விழித்து சொப்பனம் கண்டேன் പറയാതെ അറിയാതെ നീ പോയ തല്ലേ മറുവാക്ക് മിണ്ടാഞ്ഞ തല്ലേ ഒരു നോക്ക് കാണാതെ നീ പോയ തല്ലേ ദൂരേക്ക് നീ മാഞ്ഞ തല്ലേ സഖിയെ നീ കാണുന്നുവോ എന്നിഴികൾ നിറയും നൊമ്പരം എന്നും ഓർക്കുന്നുവോ വീണ്ടും ഓർക്കുന്നുവോ അന്നു നാം തമ്മിലിൽ പിരിയും രാവ് ഇന്നും ഓർക്കുന്നു ഞാൻ വീണ്ടും ഓർക്കുന്നു ഞാൻ അന്നു നാം കண்களிൽ പിരിയും രാവ് Let 'em up, let 'em up, tell me where you are, tell me where you are. Summer lights, bright lights, and the shooting star that break my heart. Calling you now, which you never pick up. Shadows too close to feel I'm still in love. Let 'em match, baby, in the dark. Show me where you are. Oh, love, gotta miss you every single day when I see you on those streets. Oh, love, gotta miss you every single day when I see you on those streets. Gotta miss you when I see you on those face. Oh, love, gotta miss you every single day. Now you're so far away, so far away, so far away. Thank you.
Thank you, Surya. That was a mind-blowing performance. Surya, can I ask some questions for you on regarding this song? Surya,
Yes,
are you
please.
there?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, Surya, can I get to know, why did you select these songs? Just for fun.
Because I was asking my mom about suggesting me some songs, but I don't know. She was like giving me a list of songs which I like a lot. Like she also like it, but I don't want to I can't even choose one song in particular because I love every song. So I thought of just mixing it up in my way. I had some mistakes, I think, but I hope you liked it.
Yeah, we liked it. It was a good combination. Thank you.
I'm sure everyone are enjoying this beautiful performances. Now, to add up a little fun, we have a music quiz conducted by Mega. Kindly, everyone visit kahoot.it. The link will be posted in the chat box. Please visit the website and please join the game. So, guys, pull up your socks or pajamas and get ready for the event, as the winner gets exciting goodies at the end. Everyone participate. I request our dear faculties also to join the quiz. Over to you, Mega.
What do you type when it says game pin?
Ma'am, I will be telling the game pin. Everyone, please visit the page and I'll be telling you the pin right now. The game pin is 5775386. I repeat, 5775386. After entering the pin, please enter your name and we'll wait for a minute or so for everyone to join the game. And I request all the faculties to join as well. Santosh, can you confirm if my screen is visible?
Yes, it's visible.
That's all. Anyone else joining? Fast, guys. Anyone else? Are we good to go? And please don't refresh your page while playing it. I repeat once again, the game pin is 577 5386. Are we good to go? Santosh, can you confirm once?
Yeah, we're good to go.
Okay. Let's start. I think first question is just for, for practice. So here's your first question. Hindustani music is the style found in dash India, southern, northern, eastern. So let's see who's the fastest finger. Hmm. Chandrakant is in the lead. Let's move to the next question. Which is an Indian string instrument? Violin, sitar, piano, guitar. Most of them have got it right. Let's see who tops it. It's Chandrakant again. Identify the singer. All those who were attentive at the beginning of the event will definitely will know this answer. We have 8 answers wrong. Guys, please be attentive. Chandrakant is still topping this. The opening theme music of Doordarshan was composed by. I'm sure this is a tough question. Not bad. 21 have got it right. Ajay sir is in the lead now. Chandrakant, fight back. What is Michael's full name? We all should be knowing this. Seriously, only 8 of them got it right. Yes, Chandrakant, back to fire. Before Miley Cyrus recorded Wrecking Ball, it was offered to which singer? Beyonce, Kesha, Billie Eilish, Britney Spears. Nine of them have got it right. Kavya is on the lead. How many national awards has SPB won in his 5-decade-long career? 5, 8, 6, 11. Only 9 of them have got it right. And Kavya is still leading. Who is the youngest Indian singer to win a Filmfare Award? Neeti Mohan, Arjit Singh, Ankit Tiwari, Nazia Hassan. Eight of them have got it right. That's good. And Kavya is still leading. Chandrakant, fight back. How many Filmfare Awards did Shreya Ghoshal win? 5, 3, 6, and 7. The fastest finger will win. Come on, guys, make it quick. 12 of them have got it right. Chandrakant is back to lead. Which of the following is not A.R. Rahman composed music? Urvashi Urvashi, Mahi We, Agar Tum Saath Ho, Kabira. I'm sure most of them have to get this right. Yes, 14 of them have got it right. The title track of Kal Ho Na Ho still manages to give everyone goosebumps. Who sang it? Sonu Nigam, Udit Narayan, Yo-Yo Hani Singh, Shankar Mahadevan. Yes, most of them have got it right. It's Sonu Nigam. So let's see who is winning. It's Chandrakant. So last question, guys. What was the first song that was performed in outer space? Jingle Bells, Watching the Sky, Sky Full of Stars, Dangerous. Correct, it's Jingle Bells. So let's see who is winning. Kavya Shetty is on third, Samiksha is on second, and first is Chandrakant. Can we have a round of applause for all the winners? Congratulations to all the winners. Now, I thank you everyone for taking time to be here today. I'm grateful for this opportunity. As we have reached to the end of our event, I request Mr. Ajay Krishna sir to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, Megha. Good afternoon to one and all. It is my honor to deliver vote of thanks on this wonderful event. I would like to express a deep sense of gratitude to the management of Gokul Educational Foundation for encouraging us to conduct such events. I extend my sincere thanks to the Dean of Department of Management Studies, Dr. Bindu Nambiar ma'am, for her constant support and guidance. Thank you, ma'am. I'm grateful to the faculty members of the Department of Management Studies for their kind support extended. Thank you all. I'd also like to thank all the participants who have participated in this event and ensured that this event was a successful one. Thank all the participants. Also, I'd like to thank all the students who are present on this event for their time and their efforts. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Megha?
Yes, ma'am.
Kiran, Megha?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I take a minute?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, thanks a lot. So first of all, I want to say I am so proud to have such lovely talents in the department. I know there are many more who are hiding. I really want all of you to, use these opportunities. And I hope there is more participation in the next event from both the batches. I have to give a special appreciation to the event coordinator, student event coordinators who pulled the event very well today, which I'm sure would not have been possible for you to do unless you had the able guidance of your faculty coordinator. All appreciation to my colleague Ajay Krishna, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies. There has not been a single time when he said no to me. Any idea that comes up and I say, let's do this, I know I have one vote with me. So thanks a lot, Ajay, for your constant, you're just there. That I should say you're the rock of the department. That's really nice. And of course, I know that my colleagues, both Vichitra ma'am and Sindhuja ma'am, must have ably supported you as well. So it's really nice that such a lovely event was put up. Before we wind up this event, I would really request some of the students, especially the ones who have not performed today, who heard through the entire thing, if they can share a few views about today's event, it would be great to hear that. And depending on that, I guess I must announce some surprise for you. Kiran, was I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's see who starts off with their feedback for the day about how they felt about the event today. Anybody can start, any of the students. No messages. I want to hear it.
Ma'am, can I say something?
Definitely, Nilanjali.
Yeah, so I'd really like to thank the Department of MBA of MSRCSC for this opportunity. It was really refreshing and it was really great seeing all my friends and all the singers who sang. And because it's World Music Day that we're celebrating, it's very close to my heart as a singer. It was from past few days actually I wasn't that motivated enough to sing, but this pushed me to give my best, I guess. So I'm really thankful for that. It was a great experience. The quiz was amazing. I got to know a lot of facts, and be it Bindu ma'am or Ajay sir or Vichitra ma'am or Sindhuja ma'am, you gave us a lot of facts about music industry and musicians and ragas and everything. It was amazing. It was very informative and refreshing both at the time. Thank you.
Good to know. Anyone else? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Adira Shashi.
Yes.
Yeah, I am also very happy this moment, and this thanks to Ajay sir, as because of he I joined for this event. Very thank you, sir. I have no words. Thanks a lot. I'm very happy today.
Glad to know. Glad to know.
So good to know, Ajay sir, that you're motivating the students in the right direction. Really nice.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Adira, this is just the beginning. Okay. I'm sure there are so many more performances and people are going to wait for your performance.
Ma'am.
Lovely singing. Yeah. Great.
Thank you, ma'am.
Surya, why don't you speak, man, instead of putting it in the chat box?
No, ma'am. Like I have it's same thing, ma'am. I have to say because, ma'am, I'm not a singer at all. I never sang in any of the competition or nothing. But same thing. Ajay Shah didn't told me directly, but he told Megha to make me register for that thing, and for that only I registered seriously because I don't know I'm a singer at all. I don't sing, ma'am. I love to hear music, but it's not my thing at all. But for him and for my friends, I've done this.
Great, great.
Thank you, sir.
Way
for
to
that.
go.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah, so we're really thankful to the department for having organized this, and it really motivated us, as Nilanjali said. Lately, even me, had stopped singing because, so many, I felt sick and such a monotonous thing happening with sitting at home. So there's no motivation at all to sing. So even my parents have started asking me since yesterday, is there something that's happening in your college or something? I'm like, yeah. So we really were motivated to sing, and I have got that thing, and I hope this will sustain for a long time. And thank you so much, ma'am, and all the professors. Thank you, Ajay sir.
Samiksha, you have a lovely voice and you must continue singing. It's going to soothe so many souls.
Thank you.
Mhm. Okay. Anyone else? One last person I'll give a chance. I guess we're running out of time. I just barged into the session. I hope the event coordinators will not bulldoze me on this.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Adi sir and your team.
You can take your time. No problem.
Kiran and Megha were like, this is not in our script.
No, ma'am, we're fine.
That's it. No one else. I didn't get anything.
Ma'am, your
From the
voice
senior batch.
grew. I
I
mean, we
guess
were not
they all
able
left.
to hear you.
There anybody
Yes, ma'am.
in the senior batch here?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Good afternoon, Harika, finally.
Yeah, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Firstly, a
Good
big shout out
afternoon.
to all of you who have. Sorry? Yeah. Firstly, a big shout out to all of you who have performed and give us the privilege to see all of your talented and very soulful and refreshing performance. And as I always tell Ajay sir, you're always best in motivating students. I have been saying from 1 year. And also to the department, Dean ma'am especially, and all the faculties, thank you for always giving the opportunities to students and motivating them in a right way. Thank you so much. You guys are the best. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks, Harika.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Right. Right. So I wanted to ask all of you, I have this one thought coming in my head, okay? Does it make sense that we start a music club in our department?
Yes, ma'am, a lot.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think you're known for innovative ideas. And this proves it.
Yeah, I have such lovely talents with me, and I am so sure that there are at least double the number of children who have performed today who are also equally talented, who did not take the opportunity because of the usual hesitation and the inertia that is there, which we need to break. So I really think that we all, amidst all that stress that we go through, we need a break. So I would really appreciate if the seniors and the junior students take initiative. I would definitely appreciate if you start a music club. But again, I'm telling you, I don't believe in giving anything to you guys on a platter, because in this world, nothing is spoon fed. My children must learn to get what they want. Okay? So I've opened this. Come to me with your suggestion, how you want to have it. Weekly ones, monthly ones, whatever. You guys plan. You guys plan who's going to coordinate. It's open now. Faculty and me are out of it. We're there as your constant support, constant guidance. We'll always be there. But my children must take initiative. And I look forward to hearing from you on this. Can I look forward?
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fabulous, fabulous children. So go ahead, plan it, and let's discuss this. Okay. So wonderful event. Hats off to all the performance, all the each one of you. What talents! Yeah, amazing, really nice. And of course, the faculty with all the motivation and support that you're giving, all three of you, awesome. And Ajay sir, event coordinator, hats off, good event. Thanks a lot. It de-stressed me also today. Thanks a lot.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Tanusha Jaiswal, you're very much audible, girl.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Sorry, actually, my mic was not working previously. I tried speaking a lot of times because my Wi-Fi had some issues. Ma'am, actually, I would like to thank Ajay sir and you because this was my last performance as a student. Because now I'll be definitely after this I'll not be pursuing my PhD. So as a student, this was my last opportunity to be around all my friends and colleagues and to show myself. And because even I left singing way back, but in the very end, in the very end moment, I practiced yesterday itself, and Ajay motivated me that yeah, you should play the instrument also, because I left playing guitar back in class 11th. So yeah, it was a great opportunity for me, and also I was a bit nervous, and in the very beginning, but initially when I started playing, I realized that I should play more often, and I got very motivated.
Wow. You've been playing since 11th standard. It didn't sound like that
No,
though.
ma'am. Actually, I'm playing since 6th standard. So, but I left in 11th standard, so I was not in touch with guitar for the 4 years of my graduation.
It didn't sound like that at all. And again, children, I'm taking this opportunity to tell you all, Anusha, you are the first one in the batch to have got an offer on the campus. We're very proud of you, child. But at the same time, please don't give away your natural talents. Keep on honing it.
Yes.
Don't give up music. You looked so
Yes,
happy when
ma'am,
you were doing it.
definitely.
Yeah.
Thank you,
So,
ma'am. Thank you all because of you.
and don't say this is your last performance. I just announced that a music club is possible. So God knows, you might just put up a show.
Yes, ma'am, definitely. I will try.
Great. Right. Thank you so much. Thank you for the opportunity, Ajay sir. I actually thought I would come in and I would leave because I had another meeting. It was so engaging to watch you all. I actually sent an email to the other meeting and I've postponed it for 1:20. So I guess I need to take leave now. Thanks a lot for including me in the event.
Thank you.
God
Thank
bless
you.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
That was a wonderful show, Ajay sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you all. Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. It was a really nice show. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
We rock, don't we?
Thanks, guys. You may now leave the meeting.